profile. There you go.
There you go.
Where? The name.
Yeah, it says your
Oh,
name.
oh, oh, oh. Okay.
And then you can add a website somewhere. And this is where you can add your skills, landscape, designing, irrigation, add your web page.
Add a new school or no?
Add your education. Yeah, go through each one. Just go through each one. It's going to take you some time.
Or can I just save that?
I mean, you can just save that and hit done and go online later once you figure out what your password is.
I did. That's how I got to this, isn't it?